National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Coles County, northwestern Clark County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lerna or near Mattoon, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Charleston, Mattoon, Lerna, and Janesville around 6:50 p.m. Ashmore around 7 p.m. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 180 and 192.
Somebody tell me how pretty creek is a real thing.
Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Coles County, Edgar County until 8 p.m. At 7:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over 10 miles northeast of Charleston, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding. This severe thunderstorm will be near Kansas around 7:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Christmas. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Muchas gracias.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 129, effective until 2 a.m. Friday, or 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Clark, Colton, Edgar, and Vigo, Indiana. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to NOAA Weather. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Coles County, Crawford County, Jasper County, Clark County, Cumberland County until 9 p.m. At 7:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Neoga to near Sailor Springs, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Toledo, Lerna, Jewett, Wheeler, Janesville, and Laguna around 8 p.m. Newton, Greenup, and Hidalgo around 8:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Casey, St. Marie, Willow Hill, Oblong, Martinsville, Robinson, Marshall, Palestine, Hudsonville, and Flood Rock. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 173 and 187. Interstate 70 between mile markers 105 and 154. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eagle County, Indiana, Sullivan County, Indiana, Knox County, Indiana, southwestern Clay County, Indiana, western Greene County, Indiana, northwestern St. Indiana, at 10:50 This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Terre Haute, Vincennes, Washington, Lytton, Sullivan, Bicknell, West Terre Haute, Jacksonville, Shelburne, Prairie Tin, Prairie Creek, Farmersburg, Duggar, Clay City, Primera, Lyons, Fairbanks, Carlisle, Elnora, and Oaktown. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 1 and 24. At 8 p.m.